the number of ventilators present in the hospitals are very less comparison to the patients in the ICU. So this model presents the design of a low-cost portable mechanical ventilator equipped with Bluetooth technology, which we can control and also monitor the ventilatory parameters through mobile phone, laptop, computers, etc.
It is also low cost, compact, lightweight, and thus making it portable. This model will require testing for medical validation so that we can use during emergency situations, but it cannot replace the medical grade ventilators. The main objective behind the development of an app is to keep the medical staff and the doctors safe by remotely controlling the ventilatory parameters outside the ICU and also by monitoring these parameters and the waveform through the app, which makes the design novel as it is a no contact use between the patient and the doctors. The hardware can be categorized into three sections. Number one is the breathing circuit, second the mechanical system and the controls. The breathing circuit consists of the Ambu bag, the single limb breathing circuit and the mask. The Ambu bag is the heart of the ventilator, which is a manual resuscitator generally squeezed by medical staff to push air into the lungs. But this is a temporary technique. In our prototype, we have arranged two curved shaped fingers to compress the Ambu bag in a gentle way, and the air flows out to the patient through the pipe and the mask. There are three input parameters, which are the tidal volume, the inspiratory and expiratory ratio, and the breath per minute, that can be both manually and remotely controlled by using an app. There are two types of modes which are incorporated in our model: assist control and the volume control. In assist control mode, the ventilator will deliver a fixed tidal volume at set intervals of time or when the patient initiates a breath. For this, two pressure sensors are attached to monitor the pressure, tidal volume and the flow. In volume control mode, the ventilator will deliver a breath with preset tidal volume and constant flow.